Hello South Africa. The empowerment of women must be central, President Cyril Ramaphosa. President Cyril Ramaphosa received a round of applause as he spoke about female equality at the 78th session of the UN General Assembly on Tuesday. He attended the session along with several world leaders such as President Joe Biden and President Volodymyr Zelensky. The president focused on a number of issues affecting Africa, including gender equality, healthcare, and climate change. He also highlighted the importance of Africa's voice in the UN. We rounded up highlights of his statement. The president, who was accompanied by an all-women delegation, called upon all nations to provide equality to women across the world. Social and economic progress will not be possible unless we end gender discrimination, he stated as he addressed world leaders on Tuesday. Ramaphosa referenced the UN's 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, which is aimed towards strengthening world peace. The 2023 agenda has a special focus on gender equality and female empowerment. The president stated that the empowerment of women must be central to the actions we now take towards the realization of Agenda 2030. The president also highlighted the need for world leaders to focus on the investment for healthcare services for women and children. He emphasized that these services should be prioritized as they are essential for the overall health and well-being of women and children across the world. Earlier last month, President Ramaphosa addressed South Africans on Women's Day to highlight how far the nation has come in building a non-sexist society. He thanked women for the role they play as he led the Women's Day celebrations. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.